Oh. So I'm on hunting this morning, and I am always amazed. I've already glassed over this area, but there's a bull down there, and it's not big enough. It's a mid bull. It's not legal, but there's a cow down there with him, and he's right in the corner there. He's bedded down. You can't really see him very well, but they seem to avoid being seen pretty well. I went right by him. So anyways, I'm gonna glass and see if I can find something legal. You can see him, he's moving off there. I don't think they can see me up here because the sun's right behind my back and my shadow's going that side. It'd be pretty bright. Come on up. A closer look at you. Oh, it's cool. Wow, crazy. Flying in. The bull call was a bad idea. That cow is chasing off that other cow, and she is running for it. And the calf's like running across and thinks it's great. They're so weird. The calf doesn't know what to do. I'm hoping they stir something else up. Look at that, that's crazy. Chasing that other cow all over the place. Wow. You can hear them crashing through the bushes down there. Basically gonna run her on the bench. Okay guys, about hunting, we're calling in a bull, and I don't know if you can see him there, but he followed us he's like 15 yards away, and we're in an antler restricted area, so he's not one that we can take. He's just barely palmated, and he's sitting in the woods there. Just wondering what we're gonna do. You can't hardly see him because he's right behind that, but he ain't more than 30 yards away, maybe 25 yards away. See him flicking his ears. Oh. He wants to hang out with us.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Well, we're going up for this bull we saw the other day. Big guy. And it's a ways back in there. See if we can find him. This is nice country back in here. Sue, you wanted to know where the berries were? We found them. And they're thick through here. Not just right there. Come up over here. But we did also just see a brown bear, so got away from us though. Look at them berries. Thick. Saw a grizzly today, couple moose. Just one little bull though.
Well, we got foiled again. Moose escaped us. Or I should say escaped the grizz that was up there. I saw a grizz up there in the spot we were trying to hunt. So it was going away and it was pretty close, about 100, 150 yards. But it was in the trees and so I couldn't get a shot at it. Oh well, maybe we'll get one on the way out.
Good job, Marlin.
Yes. We'll check that guy, Jake. We'll check that big guy.
Oh, what do you got to say?
Wow!
You got him.
Mighty hunter.
And we had to hike high too.
We had
It's
to
about
hike.
1,000 feet higher than the tree line.
It's not the hardest moose that we've ever had to earn, but
You didn't make it easy.
wasn't too far off.
I wonder if I could spike fork. All right, meat for the
we got-
freezer. Well, Marlin,
Let me
got your bowl down.
here.
It's not a big one, but you can either shoot a little one or a real big one up here.
You ask any hunter, any real hunter.
And any
A moose is a moose.
A moose is a moose,
There you go.
and you get that sucker in the freezer for your family, and that is the goal
I got the
of the moose season. Congrats on your first moose, Marlin. Wonderful.
Leave us a like, leave us a comment. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.